Introducing our cutting-edge conveyor ultrasonic cleaner, specially designed for the efficient cleaning of aluminum profiles, electric radiators, and various surfaces with unparalleled precision. This advanced machine is equipped to handle surface degreasing and in-depth cleaning of blind holes, ensuring a thorough and comprehensive cleaning process like never before. With its innovative conveyor system, this ultrasonic cleaner offers a seamless and automated cleaning experience, allowing for continuous operation and increased productivity. Say goodbye to manual cleaning processes and hello to a more efficient and time-saving solution for your industrial cleaning needs. The key selling point of this conveyor ultrasonic cleaner lies in its ability to deliver exceptional cleaning results on aluminum profiles, electric radiators, and intricate components with blind holes, effectively removing dirt, grease. If you want to know more about our product, please contact us on Alibaba.com.